Good morning, friends. Today is 24th of Feb 2020. Now, the SGX is showing you an open at about 11,952. Global markets in terms of Asia are sharply lower. It appears that coronavirus is picking up in Asia, and that is leading to fears of a global slowdown. Now, over the weekend, I had put out a video which told you that, you know, local situations or local bearish news creates opportunity. But the global trend should be up. Now, here it appears that this problem is global, and we are going to open at some kind of a boundary, which is the 11,930 950 zone. So I don't think you would try to attempt a buy at the boundary because the reasons are global. While you could have a rally from about 11,950 thereabouts, intraday rally, but you have to see, how sustainable that would be. So don't buy the first dip, wait, wait for some sort of a retest, and then see in case the market fails to break through those strong levels. The positive here obviously is that crude prices are much lower, but my sense would be that in this sort of a strong momentum on global markets, I don't think crude will be able to save you from a global decline. And uh, my sense would be that lots of long positions from Friday or Thursday would get trapped. And now you can see the sort of intuition we had on Thursday that there seems to be some problem. So, for people who thought that this is just expiry related trouble, they are going to get rogered today. Again, let me say that do not be eager to buy Nifty or Bank Nifty first up, and for the moment it does not seem that Trump is really going to be helping us. Should you go short? I don't think going short is a plan. First of all, we have to be clear whether the 11,950 12,350 range is breaking down. In my opinion, while I have also said during the past few days that this coronavirus seems temporary, but it is spreading. So, for the moment, you don't want to get ahead of yourself by trying to buy into this sort of a decline. On Bank Nifty, I think 30,200, about recent lows, should be coming in again. And will we go through the 30,200? Given that we are facing global trouble this time, my sense would be that unless proven otherwise, you should assume that maybe we are going to go through these levels. Short point just for the day, don't be out to buy first decline. In terms of what stocks you should buy, keep away from global oriented stocks. Try to be with Indian consumption stories, and my sense is that the global stocks could get strongly impacted. Our good old BPCL, HPCL from the lows could see some sort of upside, but overall, I don't think there should be much on the upside. I think financials also are likely to come under the hammer, and while this is a strong support area, but in case we start to make fresh lows after the first uh, dip, say if we start to break the hourly low, then there could be follow through. So, as of today, we are seeing some sort of local and global trouble, because on the local side, again, um, AGR, etc., the problems aren't haven't gone away. So the idea is that we could see a breakdown. So I don't think you will have much on the upside. On the downside, all of these metal stocks and commodity plays which had rallied over the last few days now could face some sort of selling action, because a global slowdown means that everything slows down, including IT, commodities. While that is positive medium term, but I don't think you are going to be looking at a global slowdown. Now, um, in 2008, a very similar situation was there, that everybody thought India will outperform. If it's a global slowdown, if all markets are coming down, even though it is positive for us, But if all our customers in the world are facing trouble, then chances are the global slowdown does not help us. So the idea should be that we should expect a breakdown of the lower end of the range. So this is not the sort of dip that you will like to buy. So that should be it for the moment. Take care, trade well, and try to, if you have to buy very safe stocks, which means things which are normal consumer type of stories, which people will continue to buy whether or not there is a global slowdown. Take care, trade well, and please maintain your stops uh, in your positions, and please consult your financial advisor.